This is the day that Yah hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Tehillim chapter 118, verse 24. Tehillim in Hebrew is Psalms. Friends, I'm here to tell you the Besorah. The Besorah. You say, what is the Besorah? The Besorah in Hebrew is good news. The Besorah, friends, is the Torah. The Besorah is the Torah. The Torah, the Besorah also, this is part of the Torah. The Besorah is the 10 Commandments. Friends, this is a part 2 series that I've been doing labeled the 10 Commandments. The 10 Commandments in Hebrew are the 10 words. I want to give you a little history about the 10 Commandments. The Hebrew word is the 10 words. Yudhe gave the 10 words, which is the 10 Commandments, up on Mount Sinai. Mount Sinai. When Moshe come off that mountain, he had 2 tablets of stone. They were square. They was not round like you see in the movie of the 10 Commandments. They were not round. They were square. And they were written in Hebrew. But if you watch the 10 Commandments movie, at the end when they're presenting the 10 Commandments, you'll notice that on that movie, the 10 Commandments, they were written in Hebrew. Even on the 10 Commandments at the end of the show, they were written in Hebrew. But they were not round, friends. They were square. Friends, Yah bless you.